Hello everyone, welcome to Back Tech Product. In today's video, we're diving into the best cordless hot melt glue gun that combines convenience, power, and versatility for all your DIY and professional needs. Let's explore the features, pros, and cons of the Makita cordless hot melt glue gun to see why it's a top choice for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Let's get started. Product features. High power output. With a robust power output of 100 W, this glue gun is designed for heavy-duty tasks. Whether you're working on a large DIY project, repairing household items, or creating intricate crafts, the high power ensures quick and efficient glue application. Compatibility with Makita 18V battery. The glue gun is fully compatible with Makita 18V batteries, offering seamless integration with your existing power tool setup. This feature makes it highly portable and perfect for on-the-go projects, eliminating the need for constant power outlets. 11mm glue stick compatibility. Designed to work with 11mm glue sticks, this tool offers versatility for various projects. Whether you need glue sticks for crafting, woodworking, or repairs, this size is widely available and supports multiple adhesive types. Durable copper nozzle. The glue gun features a copper nozzle, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. Copper's excellent heat conductivity provides consistent glue flow, while its robustness withstands high temperatures, making it a reliable choice for prolonged use. Pros. High efficiency. The 100 W power output ensures fast heating and smooth glue application, saving time on larger projects. Portability. Compatibility with Makita 18V batteries makes this glue gun cordless and highly portable, ideal for outdoor or remote work. Wide compatibility. Support for 11mm glue sticks ensures flexibility, allowing users to switch between various glue types based on their project needs. Durability. The copper nozzle is resistant to wear and tear, ensuring a long lifespan even with frequent use. Versatile applications. Suitable for DIY crafts, home repairs, woodworking, and professional use, making it a multipurpose tool. Cons. Battery dependency. While compatibility with Makita 18V batteries is a plus, it's an added cost if you don't already own Makita tools. Heat management. High power output can lead to quick heating, requiring users to handle it carefully to avoid accidental burns. Glue stick consumption. The high output may lead to faster glue stick usage, necessitating frequent replacements for extensive projects. The Makita cordless hot melt glue gun is an excellent tool for those who value portability, efficiency, and durability. Its high power output, compatibility with Makita 18V batteries, and support for 11mm glue sticks make it a versatile choice for various applications. While it may have some minor drawbacks, such as battery dependency and glue stick consumption, its advantages far outweigh the cons. Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Product for more exciting updates on the latest tools and gadgets. Stay tuned for more product insights and reviews.